Hello there, I'm Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to automatically send videos using Klaviyo and Sendspark. Okay, so I'm going to make myself smaller here, and I'm going to show you what I've set up, which is basically an automation. And in Klaviyo, it's called flows. So basically, if you're in your main page, you can just click here and access that. And you can do, of course, this differently. But what I selected here was I added a trigger that whenever someone would be added to a specific list, then we will create, a SensePark video. So this is how it works. We'll go here first of all into flows. We'll create one. I'll probably need to click on some options to make it. Build your own will be easier. So I'll just put test two, and I'll put December with a dot at the end since I haven't used that before. So let's create that. We have the triggers section. We make a click. I like to go for all triggers, and then you have the added to list, added to segment. We have metrics, date property as well. So you can actually use any of these. Okay, so that will be completely up to you. And again, if you haven't done this before, if you go here again in your main page, you can go to list and segments, and then you can just create a new list. So I'll click on create list, and then I'll put December with a dot at the end. I'm going to select this, create list. Okay, so it is as simple as this. That means that whenever we add someone to this list, of course, that lead will actually access this flow or this workflow, and then something else will happen. Which is basically in our case, what we want is to let us put December list. I guess we need to refresh actually. Uh, Basically, what we want is for an email to be sent with a video in it. Okay, so again, add to a list. I'll put December with a dot. There we go. Oh, just a single select. I'll click on save, confirm and save. Okay. So now we'll have a few options. So this is important. What we'll do here is add a time delay, and I'll explain in a moment why. But for now, let us just put 1 day as a delay right after someone gets added here, and then we'll go for the email option. Okay. Okay. And we'll leave this as it is right now. We'll need to create a template. But first of all, let's go back and I'll show you what I did before. This is an automation I built here in Sendspark. You can do that through agentic workflows. And whenever someone gets, enrolled into this automation, a video gets generated. Okay. So I'm going to go back to dynamic videos. I'll create a new one just to show you. So Klaviyo tutorial. I'll click on get started. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select our sample video, but of course, feel free to record your own video or even go here to browse for, a video you have previously recorded. Okay. So I'm selecting this here. Okay. I'm going to click on so I can have, because I do want to have a background. I'm going to go for spotlight because I do like that little animation at the beginning of the video. Okay, and then I'm going to go for continue. In this section, of course, this is like when people or when you're sending a video, what you're actually sending is a clickable GIF, a hyperlinked GIF, and people will get a new page. This will be the landing page, like everything around the video. So in my case, I'm just going to select a template. I'll just put April because it's one that I normally use for this because it already has my calendar embedded, so it will come up. Oh, that's my old calendar. But anyway, you'll get that. I guess I can actually put it here. Yep, there we go. Okay, so you'll get things like this. Like people will see the website just like this. The video, call to action button, and they can schedule a call with you through this embed calendar. Okay, so yeah, just go for continue once you're ready. And then this is important. We need to create at least one video, and I'll show you in a moment why. So I'm going to leave this empty, and I'm going to select, you won't have all of these options. I'm just going to go for voice only modal. You'll see this and this probably, but I'm going to select the first one so that I can generate a video quicker because this option doesn't have a lip sync. So I'm going to generate that, and When I accept this, I'll be granted access to the final stage of the campaign. And what we want to do is to click here in share campaign. And we're going to type, yeah, there we go. So we're going to copy here, okay? And then we're going to go back to Klaviyo to this section, and we need to set up an email. So we're asked to select the template. So we're going to go there and to create one from scratch. Let us wait until this loads. Okay, so when it comes to the content here, this is an email builder. So what we want to do, and this is important, do not use the text block, just use the HTML block. Okay. So we're going to drop that here with a click. We'll get access to this. I'm going to erase that completely, and then I'm going to go Command V or Control V to paste what I grab from this section when I click here. Okay. So I'm pasting this. It'll probably take a moment before you can see this placeholder. And the way that it works is that our system will send automatically the right video to the right person based on the email. Okay. So that's why we need to generate videos first here. This video doesn't have an email, but it's fine because it's just a video I made so I could have access to this section. Okay. Okay, so that's all that we need here. We'll click on preview and test. Or can I just return to flow? Yeah, that's all that I want for now. Okay, so we get this here, and basically this is all that we need because we do have the snippet code in this section. Whenever someone gets inside of this in this flow, this trigger or adding the person to this will send the data to Sendspark, will generate a video in that campaign automatically, and in less than a day, probably 20 minutes, 1 hour, the video will be ready. So once this email, once it's time for the system just to launch this email, we'll be already launching, a video, as you can see on the right hand side, that'll make sense to the user, right? To the lead you're sending this to. Okay. So nothing else to do here. Of course, you'll need to review and turn it on, but I'm going to leave it just as it is. Probably change this into live. Okay, but that's all that we need from Klaviyo. Now back to Sendspark. We'll need to go and reproduce or recreate this, which is like this, because I'm in the history section. So we'll create basically the same thing we have here. Okay, so I'm going to go to, well, in this case, automations, but click here. So you can create a new one. You can give it a name, of course. Okay, now when it comes to the trigger, we'll just find there Klaviyo, and then we'll select an event. And for event, you have a couple of options that Klaviyo gives us, but then here we'll just use this one, like added profiles to for list. Yep, and then we have also this at the bottom, which it is a little bit similar. But anyway, added profiles for list, okay? So yeah, you just of course, make sure you make your connection there. I have already mine. Okay, then I'm going to click here and I'm going to select the one that I just created. If you don't see it, just click on update. It'll probably take a moment. There we go, December period, and then we'll click on save. Okay, and then we're going to do something. You might have noticed that I had a second step before, but yeah, let me just add the last one first, so I can show you. So, Sendspark, create a dynamic video. You'll just need to make your first connection if you haven't done that before. But here's mine. I'll click on continue. Okay, so we're in the mapping step here. So dynamic video campaign ID, which is basically the one that we just created here. So it says Klaviyo tutorial, so I need to click on update so I can see that in the list here. We'll give this a moment. We have a lot of campaigns going on. Okay, so there we go. So contact name. So I can make a click, go here and just type name. There we go. First name, contact email, same thing. Email. And then one of the things that I've noticed is that Klaviyo doesn't have, it does have a field. I believe it's called website or domain, or actually domain. So this is what you would want to put here in order to, generate a video with a specific background. Like in this case, it's,
Again.
sendspark.com. But since we do not have the option via API, it looks like it's not being provided. So we have a different approach that we can use here. So I'll click on save for now, and we'll see what this nodal manager. Okay, yeah, just needed an update probably. So what we'll do is click here on the plus sign, go to tools actually, and then we have this data cropping. So assuming that you'll always be sending emails to business inboxes and not just gmail.com or outlook.com. In that case, so as you always go for that, you'll be good with this option. But if you go for Gmail or Outlook, email inboxes, well, this won't do any good. Okay, so yeah, so value for processing, I'm going to click here and I'm going to select email. Okay, so we'll leave this as it is, crop from the beginning of the row, cropping data by number of characters. No, we'll use this one, cropping data by a specific character, and that character will be the at symbol. Okay, and yep, and that's all that we need from here. Crop from the beginning. That's not that we want, and we'll use this crop to the end. Yes. Okay. So that means that from this symbol, like for example, I'll just put it here, right? So we have then at Sendspark.com, right? So what this will do is crop from this at symbol till the end. So the system will just capture the Sendspark.com. That's what we're doing with this crop tool. Okay. So that's just a tool. It is not a, like a specific, excuse me, step. So we'll go back to Sendspark. We'll extend this, and now in the background URL, we're going to have this data cropping tool that we just created. So we'll make a click there, and then you'll notice that there's one that says results. Did I just miss that? Oh, here it is. Okay, so the result of the cropping, it will come up here. So if you're sending an email to John at apple.com, you'll just get apple.com right here in the background URL. So we're going to save that, right? And we're going to start that. You'll be asked if you want to check the results. You can click there. Of course, you don't have to spend all your time here because API calls take a few minutes. It could I don't know. It could take 5 minutes. It could take up to 10 minutes. So you don't have to be standing here. But I do have my other automation, the one that I ran right before, just before this tutorial, and I'll show you what the history shows so you can know what to expect. So you'll get this. It'll always say with data, and that's where you want to be standing. And you'll get this success. You'll expand this and you'll get, the like added profiles to list, check. Data cropping, check. Create a dynamic video campaign, check. And don't mind the last one that says waiting, or even this one, because that last one probably would take a long time to say success. But nevertheless, the fastest way to see if this is working is to simply go back to this campaign here and check if the video was processed. Okay, so that's what you do. In my case, it was the previous one. Klaviyo automation. Right, so this is the one that I used, George 1. You can even see that here in details. Dan 1 was the previous one. Um, oh, it was actually, yeah, there we go. George. Okay. Yeah, so that's all. Yeah, George, done one at sunspot.com. That's what I did before. So yeah, that's essentially how everything works. Of course, do not forget to turn everything on so it actually goes through one day after. If you're not sure about this, feel free to start by adding yourself, like your email there, so you can send a test email to you. But as you can see in this section, in the previous section, we can already see how this populates. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.